Hi, this is Lily, and welcome back. It is always an honor and a privilege to have you join me. So, I would just like to share with you something new that I've just picked up. You know, like my last video, my couple of videos that I've made in the past, I have said always try and do something different each day. And I did say jump, take a jump, like just take a step. So, step one step at a time, or jump one step at a time, and do something different every day. This is what I'm going to share with you, what I have done. I have done quite a few things, and I always believe that when I make a video, there is always something different. So today I'm going to play my ukulele. I have just picked this ukulele up and started playing it. I've actually got it for a present, but I've never actually, strummed it. I think there's only 3 keys, but no one has actually taught me how to play. So just bear with me, and I'm just going to sing. This song just came. It's not a song, but this thought came up to me. Like this thought was in my head. I was walking. I was doing something today, and this thought came. I'm just a woman. When I just thought about that, I'm just a woman. I thought, my goodness, I could make a song with that. So when I said I'm just a woman, and I thought you're just a guy, and there's a woman and a guy. Anyway, here is how I thought it would go. It's not even a minute, but this is my new, one of my new things that I've just started today. So here we go. I am just a woman. You are just a guy. I am just a woman who would love to be your bride. I am just a woman. Take my hand and hold it tight, and we'll make sweet love through the night. And we will make sweet love through the night. So that was the song. I mean, it's just making the words rhyme and just strumming a ukulele and just singing along with it. Made that tune up. It's so simple. Hey, why don't we just keep things simple in life? Hey, it's so easy to keep things simple.